What is SEO? I get this question all the time. Now, if you're uploading on YouTube and not including SEO, it's probably the main reason why you are not getting any views. Have you ever wondered why some videos blow up while others get buried? The secret is SEO. In this video, I'll be showing you how to optimize your videos so they can rank higher, get more views, and even make you go viral. And if you stick around to the end, you will get bonus tip that will skyrocket your YouTube videos. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is basically the process of optimizing your videos so they can be more visible, so they can be discovered easily by viewers and the search engine. SEO revolves primarily on using the right keywords. Keywords are words or phrases that basically relate to your content or your niche. Now you have identified what keywords is. The next thing is to know how to strategically place those keywords when uploading your videos. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. So if your videos are not optimized, you are invisible. Don't worry. At the end of this video, you will know exactly how to make the algorithm love you. Keyword research. First thing first, keyword research tells YouTube what your videos are all about. You can use free tools like Google Trends, YouTube search bar. You can use vidIQ. This keyword will help to tell YouTube what your video is all about and also optimize your videos for search. The next thing you have to do is to optimize your title. Your title should be keyword rich and attention grabbing. Whenever you want to write a title for a particular video, make sure that your title has keywords in it. If your video, for example, is talking about shorts, make sure that in that title there is short included. So when your video is being ranked among other videos, it is easy for your video to be optimized by YouTube. A good format for a good title can be the use of numbers, the use of power words, and the use of keywords. So whenever you're writing your title, for example, how to get 1,000 subscribers in a day, do you see that title? Now it includes numbers, it includes power word, and it includes a keyword. So a title like that is a very good example of how your title should be if you want your videos to be optimized. Lastly, your title should make people want to click on your videos. Optimize description. Most people ignore description, but you don't know that your description is the gold mine for SEO. Now here is what you should do. Use your main keyword in the first 25 words. When you are writing your description, make sure that your keyword, the main keywords in your video, use it in the first 25 words in your description. When writing your description, try to write at least 250 to 500 words so YouTube will understand what your video is all about, and not just writing any random thing. Make sure that whatever you're writing in your description is like a brief summary of what your video is all about. So by the time that the algorithm or the search engine goes through your description, it can have an understanding of where to place your video, where to correctly place your videos. Use of timestamp cannot be overemphasized, or adding timestamp to your video will help for easy navigation of your videos. And don't forget to include hashtags in your description. Although YouTube keeps room for 3 hashtags, so if you see a video, you notice that you can see 3 hashtags, but it doesn't stop you from putting more than 3 hashtags. Personally, I put up to 10 hashtags in my description. I make sure that the first 3 that is going to be highlighted by YouTube are the most important and they are searchable. I make sure I put searchable words related to the video. That takes us to the next point, which is using hashtag correctly. Hashtag helps YouTube to understand your content. When next you are writing your hashtag, make sure you use a mix of keywords, relatable terms, and competitors tag. Look for hashtag that similar channels in your niche uses. Those are also how to use hashtag correctly. Thumbnail. Your thumbnail makes people stop scrolling and click on your videos. Make sure you keep your thumbnail bright and use high contrast. Also use simple text. Emotions and eye contact works well when you are making a very good thumbnail. Bonus, the secret you need to know. You should know that the algorithm loves engagement, and here is how to boost it. When you are making your next video, ask a question in the first 30 seconds of your video to boost engagement. Questions like, what is your biggest YouTube struggles? Those kind of questions set triggers conversations between your audience and make them want to stick back to watch your content. You should also make sure that whoever comes to your channel and drop a comment, answer your comments. Make sure you answer your comments, reply to your subscribers. I don't understand why you want to grow on YouTube and you don't reply to your comment. I come to your comment section and I find out that you don't reply your comments. People will comment on your videos, they will ask questions about that video that you put up, and you don't go back to go and reply to the comments, answering them. Or sometimes some people will drop words of encouragement to you, you don't even go back to appreciate them. With that, your content will not grow. If you are not engaging, your subscribers, you're not engaging in your comments, your content will not grow. You can also pin your comment. Like when you upload a video, you can be the first to comment and comment, oh, please like, share and subscribe on this video, and pin that video. So when people are watching that video and they see that comment, they'll go back and engage. You can also use YouTube Shorts to drive audience to your main videos. The good thing about YouTube Shorts is that YouTube Shorts push to a wider audience. It is not just your subscribers that get to watch your YouTube Shorts. Your shorts can be easily found. So incorporate YouTube Shorts in your channel to be able to drive more audience to your long form videos. Now that you know how to optimize for SEO, it is time to take action. Comment SEO if you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, share and comment, and leave a question in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer your question. Thank you so much guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.